Hi, this is Shubham, and in this video, we are going to start a new section that is for getting started with Python in Microsoft Excel. So, for all of you who are using Python in Jupyter Notebook, now you know that Python in Excel is also available in Excel 365 beta version. So, it will be an exciting section. So, let's start in the first video how we get started and do the next level data analysis. Either you belong to any organization or any department, everyone has their data sets. Okay, an easy way to do analysis in Microsoft Excel. So now let's get started. First, I will tell you that how to get the Python group in Formulas tab. It is very easy if you are using Excel 365. So make sure you check your account. So you can click on File tab, which is on the top left side of the application. Then go down and you can see account here. Click on account. Now you can see that I have purchased this Office 365 subscription product on my this email ID. Okay, there are a couple of updates are also there and I need to install them as well. So this is the first thing. When you update it, you have to go to Formulas tab where you will find the Python group, and there are a couple of options available here. Okay, so we will be doing some demonstration here in the Excel, but before that, let me go to the detail. So this is the Microsoft official page where, and it is written that Python in Excel is available to enterprise business users running in current channel on Windows, starting with the version 2408 and, and monthly enterprise channel. Okay. Python in Excel is available to enterprise business users running in current channel on Excel for Mac starting with version 16.96. Okay. So once you have this particular version, you can go to Formulas tab as I have guided you there. So you will find the Python group there. So to use the Python, you have to write equals to Py in order to enable and write the code related to Python. They have written the article in August 2023 announcing the Python in Excel next level data analysis for all. So either you are an accountant, either you are an auditor, either you belongs to sales department, HR, or any other important department of your organization, you can go to the next level analysis with Excel within Excel. So all you need to is to activate this in your desktop, this version in your desktop, and you can start writing the Python code by equals to Py in your Excel cell following the Python code. So you can see the demonstration is being showed here. All right. Then you can also create advanced visualizations. So to give you the leverage, robust Python visualization libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn directly right in your Excel workbook for comprehensive data representation. You don't have to install Python separately anywhere that comes built in. You can load the libraries as well. You can also accomplish deep statistical analysis as well, as you can see here in the demonstration as well. And you can share your work with the other colleagues as well. Once you create some good analytics, you can share this document. Click on the right side, then write the message and click on share and add in your email addresses, and that's it. You can access powerful Python libraries as well, such as Panda, Seaborn, SciPy, Matplotlib, and they will be loaded, and once done, you can start doing the analytics. I've already told the news about how and why data scientists should be excited using the Python in Microsoft Excel. You know that globally there are more than 700 billion users and up to 2 billion people who are using spreadsheets day in and day out. So there is a good organization. Spreadsheets handle financial reporting, supply chain analytics, and even CRM. Want to learn more about Pandas, which is used for data analytics, and it is a library. So you can go to my course section where I have designed a detailed course about the Python for data analysis. Here you can see that. You can click and start this course. You will find a lot of topics here, lot of You can also go to this website where you can find the pandas documentation. You can click on get started and scroll down. You will find a lot of topics here also. Something like calculate summary statistics, handle time series data, manipulate textual data. And so let me click anyone here. How do I read and write about tabular data? You can click on the introduction tutorial and it will open a simple tutorial for you. You can read and see how code works and similar kind of code you write inside the Excel. So equals to pi, press the tab key, then let's select the data. So we have data from J6 and it goes downwards till P374. Press Ctrl Enter and the data frame has been created here as you can see here. And once you go to the formula bar, before the formula bar, there is a Python object, a small icon. Click on it if you want to see the actual data. You can click on Excel value or let's keep it on Python object. So it is a data frame. Now we have, and let's do some analytics. So equals to again pi. Now this time we will select this data frame and write the code that is dot describe bracket, open bracket, close. These are the round brackets. Now execute. We will not press enter because it will insert a new line within this cell. So to execute, we will press Ctrl Enter. And now we want to see it as a value. So we will go to this formula bar and say Excel value and that's it. Based on our data set, we got the numeric columns, quantity and revenue. As you can see here, we got their count, mean, standard deviation, minimum numbers. And we can also do some changes here. Let's say we want, based on certain column, let's add in square brackets, let's say by payment type. So see, that is showing us some statistics regarding the payment type. We can change this as well to let's say city. Press Ctrl, Enter. That's it, right? Then we can run another command equals to pi, press the tab key. Now this time we will use a group by command. So let's first pick the data frame, dot group by city and dot sum, round bracket open and close and press and Control Enter. Now you want to see as a data value. So we will click on it, Excel value, and that's it. We got it. The numbers city wise, let's select these numbers, make a good formatting. All right. So if you want to change it, you can change this. Let's say you want Y payment type. So instead of city, you can write payment type and press Control Enter. And that's it, right? So this is how we have started writing some Python codes in Microsoft Excel. In the next video, I will be bringing some more good analytics how to do on large data sets or multiple tables. Okay. Thank you.